Okay, example 2 involves the circumference of a circle. Radius of a circle is 3 centimeters. Find the circumference. And circumference of a circle is simply the perimeter of a circle. Circle is not officially a polygon, but it does have a length around it. So if I'm looking at this circle here with a radius of 3 centimeters, you don't have to draw the circle to do this problem. But circumference is, if I'm standing here and I walk all the way around the circle to here, how far did I go? It's a distance I'll measure. And circumference is the only perimeter type thing that uses a formula. The circumference of a circle is 2 pi times the radius. Now I'm expecting you to use 3.14 as an approximation for pi this year. Okay, back to the book, if you check your answers in the back of the book, they use 3.14 as an approximation for pi. I don't want you to leave pi in your answers. I want you to get an approximate value using decimals. Only because mistakes get made when you leave pi in answers when we start getting more elaborate problems. I just want to avoid those mistakes. So it'll save us time and energy if we just allow ourselves to use that number to approximate. So if I'm looking at this formula, circumference equals 2 pi r, c equals 2 times 3.14 times 3. I'm using parentheses to denote multiplication. We also use raised dots. We do not, in algebra, use x's. Okay, get out of the habit of using x's for multiplication, because we're going to be using x's as letters in problems, and they'll be showing up all over the place. They just cause mistakes. So either that or 2.3.14.3. One of those two to denote multiplication will be the best way to go about doing it. And if we multiply all that out, we're going to get 18.84. And unit of length here is centimeters, so we're going to put centimeters on that. 3.
What if we're doing horizontal? What if we're doing vertical now? Do we still...
Vertical. So you want to do 2 times 3 times 3.14? Like that?
Yeah, say we were writing it out like that.
I think an x in that situation wouldn't hurt anything.
Okay.
All right. But just when you're going horizontal like that, it's probably better to leave x out of it. But in that case, it's obvious it needs multiplication. There wouldn't be any kind of problem with that, so that'd be fine.